Hello, in this video, we will use Python's total graphics module to draw simple graphics. I'm going to start from the Python idle. Now I'm going to write the program from here. I'm going to open a file. This is my file here, test.py. So I'm going to use Python's tool. You need to import total. This is to import the total module. You can now use the commands in the module. So the first command I'm going to use is this. Total dot show total. This is to invoke a function in the total module. This will display the current location of the total. So let's run it to get some sense how this works. I'm going to run this now, Python shell. So you are going to see now this. Run module. So I'm going to run module, and you're going to see this right here. This is the location of this total right here. So now you can see this is like a total is moving. While it's moving, so it's going to leave a trace. So the direction is point to the east side. So now I'm going to add some commands here. First, I'm going to write this total dot write. So I'm going to write welcome to Python. So I'm going to close it and run this module again. All right, so now what you see here is this, welcome to Python. Now after this, I'm going to have this, the total point, current point, and move 100 pixels forward. So I'm going to close it now and coming back here to do this. Total dot forward 100. So now let's see how this works from run module. See, this is the line. Now it moves forward and leave a trace. So that is this. The current position is right here now. Now I'm going to turn this, the direction to 90 degrees to the right. So now look here now, I'm here now. So I'm going to have this total dot right 90 degrees. So I'm gonna run this now, module, and you're gonna see this is the direction is now changed to 90 degrees. Okay. All right, I can change the color. So it's black now. I'm gonna change the color is total dot color red. So I'm gonna change it to red color. So let's run it now. And you're gonna see this is the red color here. It's the red color now. Now I'm gonna move forward. Total dot forward 50 pixels. So let's have this run module now and see this is 50 pixels. So I'm gonna turn this right again. So turn to this direction, turn to right 90 degrees. So let's turn right 90 degrees. And then we're gonna have the forward 100 pixels. All right, see what happens now. All right, see? Okay, now I'm going to turn this right 45 degrees. And now I'm going to change the color to green. And now I'm going to change this. Well, let's just move forward now. Let's move forward after you turn right a 45 degree. I'm going to move forward 80 pixels. So this is a forward run. All right, so this is what you have now. This is here. You can now also lift your pen and move it to any location you want. So let's go to that. We're going to lift the pen and move any direction we want. So you're not going to leave a trace. So let's do a lift now. So here I'm going to have total dot pen up. So this is called a pen up. I'm going to lift the pen out. So I'm going to lift the pen and let's go to a location. So here is go to, so this is the center right here. And center is 0, 0. And so let's say if I want to move it here, it's the X coordinate 0, and this is something like 100 right here. So I'm going to put it right here, left 0, negative 100. Let's see how this works now. Go to run module. So now you're going to see it's okay. It's now, this is the, that's negative 100. This is the conventional coordinate system here in this total is, so here's the center 0, 0. X increases going to the right and decreases going to the left. Y increases and here to the up and to the top here, and going y decrease is going down. So let's do it now. This time I'm going to have this go to a different location and plus 100. So now it's here and then go up. All right, so 100. Let's do this now. Okay, so this is right here, 100. From here, I'm going to draw a circle. So let's do this total dot. And what is the circle here? Is circle, the radius is 25. So this is the radius. So now, I'm going to draw this now. And you're going to see this is 25. All right, so you see there's nothing here. It's empty because what you have to do is to put this down. So you have this is pen up. Now you have to have this pen down, and then you're going to see and the trace. All right, so this is right here. See, starting from here, you're going to draw this as circle. Now let's go back to the book to look at a comprehensive example to put all this we have into work. In this example, to draw the Olympic rings logo. This is right here. Now you can have this pen size. So if you go back here now, let's do this. We go back to this. You can change this to the size of the pen. So I'm going to change this to the to pen size for the circle. So total dot pen size is 10. So by default, the pen size is 1 now, and see after you change the pen size, and this is thicker. So that's pen size, and now this is the color, and this is the pen up, and now go to the location and the pen down and draw a circle. So we're going to draw 5 circles, and this is all here, 5 circles, and this is 5 circles right here. 5 circles. And now you can change this to a different color. You can say, I'm going to change it to purple for the first one. And the first one is right here, the first one here. And now I'm going to run this. And you can see this is the purple. That's how it works. Now, you see I have this, the last one is total down. This command causes the program to pause until the user closes the Python total graphics window. The purpose of this is to give the user time to view the graphics. Without this line, the graphics window might be closed right after the program is finished, depending on what version you use and what platform you're running the program. So it's safe. I'm going to have this total dot down and just to pause everything, and you can see what happens. That is all for this section on getting started with graphics programming. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.